Stop it. Persons injured in gun salutes as well as the FLA appeal to firearm owners not to engage in the practice on New Year's Eve. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A very special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Kalisha Williams. Also this evening, some residents of Portland now facing an uncertain future due to displacement caused by heavy rains and a sewage nightmare in one Portmore community. I'll have the news in detail right after this break.